Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Maze. Today is 15th January, Thursday. Let's get into the markets. Price action was okay today, but didn't catch a lot of moves. One Fibonacci was cast. Let me show you what that was. Yeah, so I haven't marked the trade yet. The trade I took was in 1 hour time frame. This one, 1 hour pay. It was bearish. It looked like bearish, and 60% का retest हुआ. फेयर वैल्यू अब कवर हुआ यहाँ पे फेयर वैल्यू अब कवर हुआ तो actually sold at 60% only 60% पे I've sold actually let's take this trade. I want to take this trade. Let's buy here minimum. Just I just want to get this bottom, and I think that's working out. So let's see. If you're not entered, you can enter now. I think that's the moment we needed, but it just went a little bit down. Hmm. करना चाहिए या निकलना चाहिए 15. Okay, 15 also there is, but it's not that much as I thought it would be. You see, here also you have what? You have three bottoms forming. In the higher time frames, this also looks something like this only, right? The same scenario, same way. I want to take this one, but could be risky, but could be actually we should have the Fibonacci as well. Perfectly 50%. Uh, I think that is why it's been going up, not the double top, double bottom. Okay, let's see. Mm, for this trade, let me see what I can do about the SL. 50 to 60% is working well, so can count on that. Mm, what is happening with DXY? Oh, DXY is up today. Oh, everything is in red today. All PTC, ETH, gold also is in red. Everything is in red. Only because the DXY has that 0.3% movement, which is very high. Movement is slow. I don't know why, because 50% say we should have I am seeing movements 1, 2, 3. 1 minute, I'll show you what I'm trying to tell you. See, 1, 2, 3. So it's trying, but it wants something else. Is it not the 50%? Hmm. Let's move our SL, move our SL, because even though gold is bullish, I'm not seeing very much bullish in the lower candles. 1 minute, 5 minutes also I'm not seeing it. I'm not just getting the trust. So should we have only 20 IPS ka? At least as less as possible. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Let's sell as less as possible रखते हैं and let's be risk free. We entered at 605 point something. See, it's trying to come back. 23 pips का sell 23, 24 pips. Let's see what happens. Because I'm not getting that confirmation. See, yeah. Hmm. See, sell gone. But I'm still in this trade somehow. But don't guys. If you're still entered, take it out. Okay? Because the movement should be sharp. Buying movement whenever we see. I know this looks like a manipulation kind of a thing. I know I'm still in this, but no, don't be. Take it out, guys. Take it out. So this 15-minute, let me show you. 600 per we can try buying if we want to. But exact 50% I thought would work, but it's not working out. I'm in this trade because I have a better risk appetite and I took a low quantity than I normally do. But don't be in this trade. We will concentrate on selling. In fact, I'll remove this right now. It. See, we're getting this break even right now. Mhm. Only if it be like closing above here, I'm willing to do it. Start selling, guys. I want to see some selling moment. Sell कर देते हैं. Let's do selling. Same region, but what has happened to trading you? What is this? Mm, okay. Same risk. Yes, I didn't see a bigger movement. So if this closes above this, then yeah, we've been manipulated and it's buying only, which is because after giving this close, it made this an auto block. Now it has to close above here, 608. Then only we'll have bullish momentum. DXY is towards the upside, should give us bearish momentum in gold. But bullish, bullish दिख रहा है. Let's see. At least risk free there, yeah. So we can be, yeah. Mm, and closing below this 60%. Let's see. 60 to 50, 50 to 60% is working well. We need to be aware of that. It's just a scalp. Be risk free, guys. Be risk free. Sell, come karo, be risk free. Mm, are we getting only small trades? Well, what happened to the bigger trades? 40 pips up. Are we 40 pips up? 36 pips. 35 pips. Be risk free, guys. Be risk free. Sell cost to cost. Sell to 10 pips. We'll just take it. Only इतना कम है क्या? Let's see 1 hour candle. Hmm. The next 5 minutes, what closing do you think we'll get, guys? Because this looks like a liquidity candle, and I mean, to me it looks like a liquidity candle, and it's 625, good level. So if it closes below this candle, still manipulate can do a manipulation. Only 10 bits ka risk we are in. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not very fond of this trade anyway because we're getting only 50 pips. Let's see 10 pips का risk है. मार्क को छू के टक से वापस आ जाएंगे कि नहीं? Not this time, I guess. Risk free trade, guys. Risk free है some थोड़े pips मिले हैं बस थोड़े pips बिल्कुल. I think spread जितना है उतना मिला होगा. Hmm, what to do? What to do? I think should we start buying? We should ideally start buying. But next 3 minutes के लिए wait कर next 2 minutes के लिए wait करते हैं because uh 1 hour का candle open is there. I did not see. So I will buy it at retest. Do we have any news today? There's a possibility there's a lot of news. Unemployment claims. Good for US. Very good for US. Understandably why we have that moment. Bad for gold. Right. So bad for gold. We should concentrate on selling. But mhm, okay. Maybe we should concentrate on selling only. We need just a minute to confirm the 1 hour. Hmm, Next candle. Hmm. Very difficult to say what next candle would be. Will it give a top wick and it will fall, or it will it give a bottom wick? I think at least for a scalp, bottom wick at 50%, and then we can buy. I think we can at least take 100 pips, but the market is very slow, very slow. Hmm. Opening happen. No bottom wick. And open 7. We can take a scalp at here, 8 or something. Let's see. No, it's getting the bottom wick. So 63603 would be the entry, guys. And let me yes. Implementing, of course. That is just 150 is then I that would be a trade best. You have to wait for that retest. It could be after this 50%, this discount area. Mm, Go just away. Mm, I wanted to test this, guys. We don't want it to just blow away. Or is this the top pick for the next movement that is to come? Or is this just a red candle that it wants to form? Sorry, green candle it wants to form, and then we'll have a selling all over. What is it? Hmm, Question to us. Mm, 612 पे selling scalp करते हैं, whichever comes first. 603 का selling और buying और 612 का selling. ठीक है, whichever comes first, that will be our trade because we are in consolidation only. Gold has fallen, has rised. Now it's consolidation time. Now we can capture trade both sides, not only in the selling, but also in buy, not only in the buying, but also in the selling. I just have to be there at the right moment. Mm, both 150 pips. Both 150 pip trades. Funny enough. I think we're going to get selling. We're getting low risk because moment is not very high. That is why we're getting 20 USD. Normally we get 40, 50 USD. Today, I guess the moment that needs to happen already happened. Gold is bullish. Oh, so that's why when DXY had shown that bearish nature, bullish nature in itself, there's a let's go guys. We have selling incoming. I might put a limit order as well. Come on, come on. पहले moment आ रहा है for that 11 from 11 only we're getting a moment. Not the one we want. Slow guys, very slow market. Okay, let's discuss what happened today entirely. Uh, keep our mind busy. One day time frame पे जाते हैं. One day time frame पे, as you can see, all time high पे consolidation हो रहा है. So we probably have another all time high. Let's see. That's the definite possibility that we'll have probably tomorrow. Tomorrow we can have the all-time high finish a week with the high peak. Mm, if that does that, then weekly what happens is weekly candle open also will be bullish, and this will take it to 4,700 SR, and that is quite possible. So that's what price action is telling us currently right now. But will be incoming selling in gold by someone, something like this. So there will be some incoming selling in gold. We need to be ready for that. But history has told us that it always recovers. But the timing is that just a little different. It always recovers. Gold always recovers. No doubt about that. Today, today also is forming a red candle. Tomorrow, I think it will give a bottom wick and uh, we'll have all-time high test, which is 650. 650 say probably it can fall. That is there. That is also there. Mm, so that's the price action of gold. Let me go into weekly charts as well. Mm, week itself is an outlier. Yeah, it will close good. I think next week also will have a good national gold. Still, we didn't reach our destination of 12 for selling. It's floating around at 11.4. Hmm. It's bullish to me. Next week also will be bullish. And let's come to 4 hours. 4 hours consolidation. As you can see, one day where it's forming candles at the same region. That's why we can see 4 hour consolidation. When we are in this kind of motion, we should be having some kind of trades. Because we're always trying to catch trades here. We always miss the best trades. These are the best trades. This is, I know we can capture a lot of pips in between low time frames, but these kind of movements is what we need to catch. And all-time highs pay how we should buy, and two bullishness makers how we should buy. That we have discussed thoroughly. And see, double tops, double bottoms. These are forming only saying ki it's unsure of what to do because DXY is going up. It wants to go up as well. It need to consolidate. Right. So that's the scenario with gold. Today, I think it should close negative only because it would be shame if it doesn't. And 1 hour, 4 hour pay. Price action, if you want to understand, made this an order block. This candle, see the candle where I point just below that. This candle is a good red candle, and the next test tested by making it top. Okay, it does not just fall after covering the fair value gap, but it tested it towards the high, took out liquidity, then started to fall. Now we have this one. So the same thing is applicable here. I think we should see 48.50 thing. Now we might able to be fall here only. And from 11.4 only, it's starting to fall. That's yeah, we would have been risk free if it have hit 12K region. From this, okay, let me show you where. So 4 hour pay also double top is imminent. So this double top, and it's falling from 25K level, which is a good level. So I think we can have a negative close for gold today. We will have a negative close. Okay, we're coming up again. Let's see. Two trades we are waiting for, and well, just 20 bips if it looks okay. It had made an order block here. It shouldn't matter for us. Mm, made an order block. Still did not test if it was this 50% level. Mm, but I'm just thinking it made this order block, which was not supposed to be made. Mm, this is my green candle. It did not test this one yet. So after testing this, if it forms a green candle, then I'm fine to sell. Then until that, we won't be selling anything. Yeah, don't do this sell. Only after retest of this, when it comes back to 607, and then it bounces back to 12, that is when I'm going to sell. Before that, I am not going to sell. Okay, I think the market is taking its time. Mm, tested this level. See, don't sell now, because as I said, this would be valid if that is not this order block is not tested. Could be a scalping trade, could be a trade, but it invalidates our strategy. Mm, gold is bullish, guys. Even DXY, after DXY being 0.29% up, gold is retrieving itself, and it's only 0.32% down. Normally, when this kind of movement comes in DXY, gold will be minus 1%, minus 2%. Today it's only what minus 0.31%. It's consolidating, it's waiting for its time, and I'm telling you, it will break out 650 also. I think it will break out six. We can see 700, 4,700 very soon. Maybe 5,000 in. We'll see. We'll definitely see 5,000 in this year, but I don't think in January though. But we'll see the 5,000 point also. But 5,000, 4,700, I think in January we can see. Invalid trade. Need valid trades. Then only we can act upon it and just grab onto it. We can actually start buying though. I know it seems like a risky thing, but we can actually start buying. Let's buy, guys. Let's buy, but keep our SL very low. I think it should work out. Let me give you where we should buy from. Probably where it is right now. ठीक है, SL will be this low. ठीक है, buy कर देना. That's why because there is a fair value gap, and if gold is trying to deny all that, I think it should go up. I hope you did the buy. Buy कर दो. You'll see about the SL just in a bit. इस लो ये वाला लो रख देते हैं. ठीक है. Let's go, guys. Let's go. ये वाला भी नहीं होगा लेकिन फिर भी ठीक है. 80 pips. I think we should not do anything more. 80 pips से क्या ही करूंगा मैं. I know risk is very small though. कितना रिस्क है? 5 पिप का रिस्क है. रिस्क फ्री हो ना हो I don't care, but 5 pips का रिस्क है बस. 80 pips. You can make 80 pips from 5 pips का risk. And that is the beauty of uh, what do you call it? Boarding a running train. So you get less SLs and you have good rewards. But there's a lot high possibility that that train will wreck. 20 pips up, guys. 17 pips up. I think that 50% level has worked out. Not sharper. It was not sharp. I think we should have a SL somewhere around here. And then that would have been perfect. Anyway, 15 pips up. Risk free karo na karo. 5 pips ka risk hai. Yeah, this will be the last trade of today's last trade. And let's see. We can get capture our 80 pips or not. If we can capture this, I think something. How much RR is this? 1 is to 11. But that's very good RR. If you even enter with a 1 lot quantity, you'll just lose a $50, but you will gain $800. That is what risk to reward you are working on. Hmm. ये तब तक डिस्कशन करते हैं. We'll discuss the trade moving on. Very slow market guys, very slow markets. इसी टाइम पे 100 पिप्स का 100 पिप्स हो जाते हैं हमारे नॉर्मली. What a market. Stacking. ठीक है anyways. Hmm. Hmm. There's a lot of liquidity in the downside. Okay. See, all today's movement was opening happened. Opening happened. Opening happened somewhere around here. Yeah, 609 पे. And it fell. It went to 583. It doesn't want to be in 500s. That I understood. One time it tried to go first support at 581, and it went back. And there was support here before that. Do we have support before that? I think it's a market structure support. Hmm. Okay. Then we have this selling. One, two weeks का selling. Then double bottom, 2 weeks का buying. Then 2 weeks का selling. 2 weeks का buying. 2 weeks का selling. 2 weeks का buying. लेकिन यहाँ पे you have only 1 week का selling, but it's 2 week का selling in higher time frames. हम्म, ऐसे ऊपर गया 50%, 60% लेवल था. 50% level था. 50% पे it gave a little bit movement. Then 60% it tried to move up. It tried. Then it fell. And it fell. And then went up again. 50. See, this is the kind of trades we're trying to take. Let's see. यहाँ पे 12 से आते क्या 120 pips. I think we missed our movements, guys. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. This is what are the kind of buyings I want to take. Out of selling scalps. Scalps are made like this. Okay. I hope you understand this selling. This is selling we try to capture right now. But that was already happened. We didn't observe that properly. Hmm. Then we have this movement. Very upside down movement. 5 minutes है ना. 15 minutes में देखते हैं. 15 minute also lot of wicks. क्या लगता है यस 18 तक आएगा 20 तक आएगा 20 से गिर जाएगा. What do you think? 50 to 60% level है and it can take out this high. So I'm probably going pro for this trade. But yeah, I think I just lost it. ठीक है. And that's all, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Uh, we miss the moments that we want to take. Anyway, consolidation है तो ठीक है. Hmm, हम यहाँ से सेल कर सकते हो. फिर भी I don't know anymore because it's trying to manipulate consolidation. But yeah, probably यहाँ से सेल कर सकते हो. ठीक है. That's all. Take care. We'll meet again. We'll meet again tomorrow. Same before. I'll be a little early tomorrow. We can capture some of the trades. ठीक है. That's all. Bye bye. Take care. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channel where I post updates every day. Okay. Let's uh let's wrap this session. Great day though. Understood that we need to leave some days off like this. And there's always explanation for this. So this moment, see, this came out, right? News ka candle है. How many pips is this? 6052 590 100 pips ka. Was already gold was falling, so I think it was enough for it. Then it took a support and then it came back surprisingly interestingly, right? Sell कर सकते हो guys. You can do selling, but don't ask me what will be the result of it because I don't know either. That's how the market is today. Okay, that's all. Take care. Bye bye, guys.